The Indian Constitution contains numerous articles that define the structure, powers, and functions of the government, along with the rights and duties of citizens. Familiarity with important articles is crucial for understanding Indian polity and governance, and is frequently tested in the SSC MTS exam. Key areas include fundamental rights, directive principles of state policy, powers of the President and Parliament, and provisions related to states and union territories. Question 1. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the protection of interests of minorities? Option A, Article 29, Option B, Article 30. Correct answer is A. Article 29 protects the interests of minorities by ensuring that any section of citizens residing in India, having a distinct language, script, or culture of its own, shall have the right to conserve the same. It's crucial for cultural preservation. Question 2. Under which article of the Indian Constitution can the Parliament amend the Constitution? Option A, Article 368, Option B, Article 356. Correct answer is A. Article 368 provides the power and procedure for amending the Constitution. It's one of the most important powers vested in the Parliament. Question 3. Which article empowers the President to promulgate ordinances during the recess of Parliament? Option A, Article 123, Option B, Article 72. Correct answer is A. Article 123 grants the President the power to issue ordinances when either House of Parliament is not in session. This is an important executive power. Question 4. What does Article 21A of the Indian Constitution deal with? Option A, right to education, Option B, right to life. Correct answer is A. Article 21A provides for free and compulsory education to all children of the age of 6 to 14 years. This is a fundamental right. Question 5. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the formation of new states and alteration of areas, boundaries, or names of existing states? Option A, Article 3, Option B, Article 368. Correct answer is A. Article 3 empowers the Parliament to form new states and alter the areas, boundaries, or names of existing states. This demonstrates the Union's power over state boundaries. Question 6. Article 243 of the Indian Constitution is related to which of the following? Option A, panchayats, Option B, municipalities. Correct answer is A. Article 243, along with other articles in Part Roman 9, deals with the panchayats and their structure, powers, and responsibilities. It enables local self-governance. Question 7. Which article contains provisions related to the Finance Commission? Option A, Article 280, Option B, Article 324. Correct answer is A. Article 280 provides for the establishment of a finance commission to recommend the distribution of tax revenues between the Union and the states. This ensures fiscal federalism. Question 8. What does Article 51A of the Indian Constitution enumerate? Option A, fundamental duties, Option B, directive principles of state policy. Correct answer is A. Article 51A lists the fundamental duties of every citizen of India. These were added by the 42nd Amendment. Question 9. Which article of the Constitution empowers the Supreme Court to issue writs? Option A, Article 32, Option B, Article 226. Correct answer is A. Article 32 grants the Supreme Court the power to issue writs, habeas corpus, mandamus, prohibition, certiorari, and quo warranto, for the enforcement of fundamental rights. It is the heart and soul of the Constitution, according to Dr. Ambedkar. Question 10. Which article deals with the Election Commission? Option A, Article 324, Option B, Article 315. Correct answer is A. Article 324 provides for the establishment of an election commission to superintend, direct, and control elections to the Parliament, state legislatures, the Office of President of India, and the Office of Vice President of India. Question 11. Article 312 of the Indian Constitution is related to Option A, All India Services, Option B, Financial Emergency. Correct answer is A. Article 312 provides for the creation of all India services like the IAS and IPS by the Parliament. It strengthens the federal structure. Question 12. What does Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deal with? Option A, abolition of untouchability. Option B, abolition of titles. Correct answer is A. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form. This is a significant step towards social justice. Question 13. Which article deals with the imposition of president's rule in a state? Option A, Article 356. Option B, Article 352. Correct answer is A. Article 356 allows the president to impose president's rule in a state if the constitutional machinery fails. This is a controversial provision. Question 14. Which article relates to the Uniform Civil Code? Option A, Article 44. Option B, Article 40. Correct answer is A. Article 44 directs the state to secure a uniform civil code for the citizens throughout the territory of India. It is a directive principle of state policy, not a fundamental right. Question 15. According to the Indian Constitution, under which article does the President of India have the power to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment? Option A, Article 72. Option B, Article 74. Correct answer is A. Article 72 empowers the President of India to grant pardons, reprieves, respites, or remissions of punishment, or to suspend, remit, or commute the sentence of any person convicted of any offense. It provides a degree of executive clemency.